Thank you so much for taking my course on baking real San Francisco sourdough bread. This was one of the funnest courses that I've made so far. I really love the deeply sour sourdough breads, and I've been experimenting for almost 13 years now. It wasn't until I attended the workshop at the Quest for Sourdough in Belgium that I learned one more piece of the puzzle. Johan Ferrant showed me the do-nothing method. It gave me the final puzzle piece that I needed to make a long fermented, low inoculation sourdough, and it makes a great San Francisco style bread. I was so thrilled. So I kept experimenting until I came up with just the right formula. I hope you've enjoyed this course as much as I have, and I really look forward to seeing your San Francisco style sourdough breads.